When it comes to luxury cars, some models aren't just stylish, they're built to last. In this video, we'll look at 10 used luxury cars that stand out for reliability, low repairs, and long-term value. Let's dive right in. 2015 Lexus GS 350. The GS 350 is a perfect balance of performance and dependability in the luxury sedan world. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6, it delivers smooth acceleration and enough punch to make highway driving effortless, while still being remarkably durable. Owners love that it doesn't just look sharp, it holds up with minimal issues, even as the miles add up. Step inside, and you're greeted with premium materials, supportive seats, and an intuitive infotainment system that makes long drives comfortable. Lexus focused on refinement here, with excellent sound insulation and a cabin that feels solid, even after years of use. What makes it truly impressive is how long these cars last. It's not unusual to see well-maintained examples, pushing 200,000 miles without costly repairs. That reputation for reliability, combined with luxury features, makes the GS 350 one of the smartest used car buys for anyone who wants peace of mind in a high-end package. 2014 Mercedes-Benz S550. This full-size luxury sedan set the standard for comfort and prestige in its class. Under the hood, a powerful V8 provides effortless acceleration, making highway cruising smooth and refined. The ride is tuned for comfort, with air suspension that soaks up bumps and keeps passengers relaxed, even on long journeys. Inside, the cabin feels like a first-class lounge. High-quality leather, wood trim, and advanced tech features, including driver assistance and premium sound, created an environment that was far ahead of its time. Rear passengers enjoy as much luxury as those in the front, thanks to spacious seating and thoughtful design touches. What sets it apart is how well it holds up when properly maintained. Many examples comfortably pass 150,000 miles, with owners praising the build quality and solid reliability compared to rivals. For those who want flagship luxury without constant headaches, this sedan remains one of the best long-term choices. 2016 Acura RLX. This sedan delivers a blend of Japanese reliability and understated luxury that appeals to drivers who want something refined yet dependable. Its V6 engine provides smooth, confident power, paired with responsive handling that feels secure on highways and in city driving. Unlike some rivals, it balances performance with a reputation for long-lasting durability. The interior is elegant without being flashy, offering leather seating, premium audio, and advanced tech like navigation and driver assist features. The cabin is roomy, especially in the back seat, making it comfortable for families or long-distance trips. Build quality is excellent, with materials that resist wear and keep the car feeling fresh even years later. Longevity is where it really shines. Many examples continue to run flawlessly well past 150,000 miles, needing only routine maintenance. Low repair costs, and Acura's focus on reliability make it a smart buy for anyone seeking a luxury sedan that combines peace of mind with premium comfort. 2015 Audi A7. This sleek four-door coupe stands out with its fastback design and a driving experience that matches its looks. A strong supercharged V6 provides smooth acceleration and plenty of confidence on the open road, while Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive keeps it planted in all weather conditions. It feels sporty without sacrificing the comfort expected from a luxury car. Step inside, and the design immediately impresses. Premium leather, high-resolution displays, and excellent build quality make every drive feel special. The cabin is quiet, refined, and fitted with technology that was ahead of its time, including navigation, premium sound, and advanced driver aids. Cargo space is another bonus thanks to the hatchback layout, making it more practical than it looks from the outside. With proper care, this model proves to be more than just stylish. Owners have seen them hold strong past 150,000 miles, praising the reliability when maintenance is kept up to date. It delivers both elegance and endurance, making it one of the standout used luxury cars worth considering. 2018 Lexus RX 350. This luxury crossover delivers the perfect mix of comfort, style, and long-term dependability. A 3.5-liter V6 under the hood offers smooth acceleration and proven durability, making it just as comfortable on long road trips as it is in daily driving. The suspension is tuned to prioritize comfort, giving passengers a quiet, relaxing ride every time. Step inside, and the focus on luxury becomes clear. Premium leather, real wood trim, and a large infotainment display highlight a cabin that feels modern and upscale. The rear seats are spacious, and the cargo area is flexible enough for family use or weekend getaways. Build quality is excellent, with everything feeling solid and designed to last. What sets it apart is reliability. Many examples are already passing 150,000 miles with ease, and Lexus's track record shows that with routine care, pushing well past 200,000 is common. Low repair costs, premium comfort, and bulletproof durability make this one of the smartest luxury crossovers you can own used. 2013 Infiniti M37. This sedan blends strong performance with a reputation for lasting dependability. A 3.7-liter V6 provides plenty of power, making highway passing and city driving equally effortless. The handling is sharp for a luxury car of its size, giving drivers a sense of confidence behind the wheel, while still maintaining the comfort expected in this class. Inside, it offers an inviting cabin with leather seating, real wood trim, and intuitive controls. Higher trims came with premium sound, navigation, and driver assist features, adding to its upscale feel. The seats are supportive on long drives, and the overall build quality ensures that the interior holds up well even after years of use. Owners often praise its longevity, with many examples comfortably surpassing 150,000 miles. Routine maintenance keeps costs manageable, and the proven engine design has a reputation for reliability. It may not carry the same badge prestige as some European rivals, but it delivers the same luxury experience with fewer repair worries, making it a smart choice for buyers who want performance and peace of mind in one package. 2014 BMW 7 Series. This flagship sedan combines executive-level comfort with the driving dynamics BMW is known for. A range of 6- and 8-cylinder engines provide effortless acceleration, making highway cruising smooth while still delivering plenty of power when needed. Despite its size, handling feels precise, with suspension tuning that balances comfort and agility better than most rivals in the segment. Step inside, and the luxury focus is clear. High-quality leather, wood accents, and advanced tech, like a premium sound system, navigation, and driver assist features, make the cabin feel both modern and timeless. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, turning long trips into a first-class experience. Every detail is designed to reinforce the feeling of prestige. When properly cared for, these cars are built to last. Many owners report crossing 150,000 miles, while still enjoying the same smooth ride and strong performance. Routine maintenance is key, but the reward is a luxury sedan that continues to impress long after the initial purchase. It's a model that proves luxury and reliability don't have to be opposites. 2019 Lexus ES300h. This hybrid luxury sedan shows how comfort and efficiency can work hand in hand. A 4-cylinder engine, paired with Lexus's proven hybrid system, delivers excellent fuel economy without sacrificing smooth performance. It's quiet, refined, and effortless to drive, making it ideal for daily commutes or long-distance travel. The hybrid technology is known for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles with minimal issues, giving owners confidence in the long run. Inside, the cabin is modern and elegant. Leather upholstery, a large infotainment screen, and available premium sound create an upscale atmosphere. Rear passengers benefit from generous space, and the ride quality is tuned to be soft and composed, perfect for those who value comfort above all. Every detail feels carefully crafted, with the kind of build quality Lexus is famous for. Longevity is this car's strongest trait. Many hybrids from the brand run for years with very few repairs, and the ES300h is no exception. Add in low running costs and exceptional reliability, and it becomes one of the smartest used luxury cars you can buy, especially for drivers who want both premium comfort and outstanding efficiency. 2014. Lexus IS350. This sporty sedan brings together performance and Lexus reliability in one sharp-looking package. A 3.5-liter V6 under the hood delivers strong acceleration and a satisfying driving feel, while the precise steering and balanced suspension make it more engaging than many rivals in the segment. It's fun to drive, but also built to handle years of use without constant trips to the mechanic. Inside, the design is driver-focused yet still upscale. Leather seating, quality materials, and intuitive controls create a cabin that feels premium but not overwhelming. Higher trims added features like navigation, premium sound, and advanced safety tech, making it competitive with German rivals while still carrying Lexus's trademark dependability. The rear seats may be tighter than larger sedans, but the overall fit and finish hold up extremely well over time. Owners praise how durable this model is, with many examples crossing 150,000 miles with ease. Maintenance costs are generally lower than comparable European options, and the engine has a reputation for being nearly bulletproof. For anyone looking for a compact luxury car that combines excitement with long-term reliability, this model checks every box. 2014 Cadillac CTS-V. This American powerhouse blends raw performance with surprising durability. Under the hood sits a supercharged V8 that delivers thrilling acceleration, putting it in true sports car territory while still offering the practicality of a sedan. Despite its aggressive character, it has proven to be a reliable long-term choice when properly maintained, earning respect from enthusiasts who value both speed and staying power. The interior matches the performance with premium touches. Supportive leather seats, modern tech, and a driver-focused layout make it clear this car was built for those who love to drive. At the same time, it offers enough space and comfort for daily use, making it more versatile than its muscle-bound specs might suggest. Longevity is a key part of its appeal. Owners who keep up with maintenance often see these models run strong well past 150,000 miles, which is impressive for such a high-performance machine. It proves that luxury and reliability can coexist, even in a car built to deliver excitement every time you press the pedal. For buyers who want something bold and dependable, this sedan is a standout choice.